Hello friends and welcome to my channel Be Yourself. This is Dr. Rajni Sharma and today I'm here with the answer key for part A of CSIR Jrf Life Science, which was held on 18 December 2016. So let's start with the first question. Here you have to find out the missing place. Here is a different pattern of different sum, division and subtraction. Only left here is the multiplication. And here in this diagram, if you will see that followed by the plus sign, there is a result of 2 plus 5. So in here it should be cross sign followed by the result of the multiplication. So the answer will be 1 because here 2 followed by the multiplication sign, there is the result of 2 into 7, which is 40. So the answer will be 1. Come to the next question. This is when the seed, when soaked in the water, it can 20% by weight and 10% by volume. By what factor does the density increases? We know that density is equals to mass by volume. So the increase in density will be mass plus 20 by 100 divided by volume, which will be increased by 10 by 100. So here we have to calculate the density in fraction, that how much fraction has increased. So it will be simply 120 m by 100 into 110 by 100. So we can write 100 in the numerator side into V, and when we will find out the increase in percentage in fraction, then we will have to divide it by again by m by v. So this m by v will be cancelled out. The only left will be the 120 by 110 and the result will be 1.09. Move to the next question. Retarding frictional force F on a moving ball is proportional to its velocity. It means force is proportional to its velocity. Two identical balls rolls down identical slopes A and B from the different heights. Height is different, it means potential energy will be different. So we know that potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. So the more the distance or the more the height, the more the velocity will be. It means the velocity of A will be greater than B and F is proportional to V, so A will be greater than FB. So the answer will be 1. Next question, which is of cockroach. Two cockroaches of same species. I haven't found the answer of this. I'm very sorry for this. If you have some ideas about this, then please tell me by commenting me on my comment box in my channel. Next question. The bar chart shown number of seats owned by 4 political parties in the state legislative assemblies. Which of the following pie chart correctly depicts this information? When you will add up all the number of seats, you will get 140 total number of seats. And 140 by half is 70. Now, in this graph, the half of this will be 70 and the half of 70 will be 35. So the half of 70 will be 35, 35, rest will be 70, and here it is 50 and 20. So the answer is 2. This question I haven't able to solve, but whatever my knowledge is concerned, whenever you will divide anything, any measurement along with having its error, we can express 10% as 0.1 error and Q as plus minus 0.02 error. What happened? This also gets summed up along with the division of the value of Q with this two. But here we don't have the value of Q, but so I think it should be 12, that is 10 plus 2 should be 12, but I am not sure about this. question, so I'm very sorry for this. Move to the next question. Quite interesting question is that how much time you can arrange this word chance in different alphabets. Now calculate, count this. You have 6 alphabets here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of times it can be arranged, it will be factorial of 6. But here if you will see that we have 2 times the C. Then how you can, the question is here how you will arrange this. When you are arranging C, C, A, H, then which C is using this position, whether this is this C or this C. So to solve this problem, what we do, we divide it by the factorial 2. Now how to solve this? The factorial 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. What you will get is, after solving this, you will get the answer 360. Move to the next question. Which of the following graph correctly show the speed and the corresponding distance covered by an object moving along a straight line? As this is a straight line, so what is here? What will be here? This graph represents the best of this question. So the answer will be 2. Move to the next question, which is the TV. A normal TV screen has a width to height ratio 4:3. It means it is the width and it is the height of the TV. Width is 4x and height is 3x. And next, another TV having high definition will have the same height, but the ratio is 9x and the width is 16x. And we know that the screen of the TV is rectangular, so this will be the D and or the diagonal, and this will follow the Pythagoras theorem, that is D square will be equals to height square plus width square. So the ratio of the diagonal of TV1 and TV2 will be what? 4 square plus 3 square by 16 square plus 9 square under root. If you will solve this, you will get it as 5:18. So the answer will be 2. 10th number question. Comparing the numerical values, which of the following is different from the rest? The first point is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. What is the formula for the circumference? It is 2 pi r, and the ratio with that of the diameter will be 2r. You will get pi. Second point is sum of the 3 triangles of a plane triangle expressed in radians. 1 radian is equals to, or we can say pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So these two values also equal, and pi value is equals to 22/7. So the answer will be 4. Next question. This is that a river is 4.1 kilometer width and the bridge is built over it. Suppose this is the bridge and this is the width of the river, and river is flowing from here, and at the one bank the bridge is 1/7 of its length, and at the one end it is 1/8 of its length. Suppose the value of or the length of the bridge is x, then the total length will be 1/7 x plus 1/8 of the x plus 4.1. When you will solve this, you will get the value of x as 5.6. Next question. Yes. OA, OB and OC are radii of a quadrilateral circle shown in the figure, and AB is also equal to the radius. It means angle AOB is equilateral triangle having 60-degree angle of all the sides. And as this is a quarter circle, it means 1/4 of the circle. This will be the angle of 90 degree, and 60 degree minus 90 degree will be 30 degree. This angle will be 30 degree, and these two are equal in length because these are circle of a radius of a circle. So this angle will be equals to this angle. So we can say that 180 minus 30 is equals to 150, as these two angles are equal. So the this will have equal value, which is 75. Move to the question number 13. It's quite simple. Here the question is that intravenous fluid has to be administered to a child of 12 kg with dehydration at a dose of 20 mg the fluid per kg. It means total fluid which has administered to the child is 20 into 12 is 12 kg. Okay, and for the 1 hour. Okay, then what should be the drip rate? If in 1 gram there will be 20 drops, so they are 20 milligrams. So if 1 gram is equals to 20 drops, then 20 milligram will equal to 20 into 20 drops. Sorry, I'm again writing this, 20 into 12, and we have to calculate in per minute, and here is 1 hour. So let's convert this 1 hour into 60 minutes. When you will solve this, you will get, here it's 2, it will be 80. So the answer will be 80. Oh, this is quite logical question. I unable to understand the difference between this, and so I am having confusion with 2 and 3. If you have any idea about this, then please tell me by commenting me on my comment box in my channel. I'm waiting for your comment. Question number 15. The sum of two-digit number is 9. It means suppose x is the tens place and y is the ones place. Then the sum of these two numbers is 9. So we can say that x is equals to 9 minus y. In such type of question, when we form number with x and y, what we do? We multiply 10 with the tens unit plus the ones, it's a y, the ones unit. So the number will be 10x plus y. Now what we are doing, we are making numerator by denominator. It is a fractional form. What we are doing, we are subtracting minus 9 with this number and making denominator by adding 10x plus y, which is the number, plus 9, and what after having such variation, we get the result as 3 by 4. So when we will put the value of y here, what we will get? 10x plus 9 minus here we are substituting the value of x with that of the y. So we will get 10 into 9 minus y plus y. So what we will get? We will get 10 into 9 minus y plus y minus 9 by 10 into 9 minus y plus 9 is equals to 3 by 4. So whenever you will solve this equation for the value of y, you will get here the ones place, or in the y place, which is the ones place, is the 6, and after solving this you will get after minus this 6 with 9, you will get 3, which is the tens place. So the answer will be 36. Move to the question number 16. Yes, the distance between x and y is 1000 kilometer, and a person flies from x at 8 a.m. and reaches y at 10 a.m. with the local time, and he flies back after a halt of 4 hours. It means 4 hours means plus 4, 14, it means 2 p.m. Okay, 14. It means after 2 p.m. it again flies back to x and reaches at 4 p.m. It means it again is taking 2 hours here and 2 hours from x to y, and from y to x again 2 hours. So what we have to calculate is the average speed, which is the total distance traveled by total time taken. So the total distance is 1000 plus 1000, and total time is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So the answer will be 500 kilometer per hour. So sorry, where is, okay, 500 kilometer per hour. Move to the question number 17. Here, the question number 17 is, if a person travels x% faster than the normal, he reaches y minutes earlier than normal. What is his normal time of travel? The distance is same, but only we have different speed and different time. So the change in the normal time, how we will calculate normal time? Let when it have speeds s and time t, the distance is st, and when it will fast x% faster than x plus 100 plus x by 100 into time will be t minus y. For the convenience of calculation, I am taking s is equals to 1. As I am taking as 1, so it will be t. Now equating this both d as equal, we will get t is equals to, I have taken s as 1, so 1 plus x by 100 into t minus y. Now calculate it. T, multiply t with this 1 plus x plus by 100, you will get t plus t x by 100. Now multiply minus y with this, you will get minus y into 1 plus x by 100. Now you can cancel out this t. When you will shift this t into x by 100 here, it will be minus x by 100 t is equals to minus y 1 plus x by 100. This minus minus will be cancelled out. Now we have to calculate for the t. Then t is equals to, I am writing x here, oh sorry, y here, so it will be 100 by x 1 plus x by 100 into y. It will be 100 by x plus this x and 100 will be cancelled out. This will be 1 into y. So the answer will be 100 by x plus 1 into y minutes. Question number 18. It's quite logical. A and B walks up an accelerator one step at a time, while the accelerator itself moves up at a constant speed. A walks twice as fast as B, and A reaches at the top in 40 steps and B in the 30 steps. How many steps of the escalator can be seen when it is not moving? It means when B is taking one step, then A is taking 2 steps. Or when B is taking 30 steps, then A should take 60 steps. But it is not so, because A is taking here only 40 steps, and the further of the steps is A is carrying only 40 steps, and the further steps is completed by the accelerator itself. So it should be 60. It means the x step is that of the accelerator, which is 20. So the steps of the accelerator when it is not moving, we will see it as 40 plus x is equals to 60. So the answer will be 60. Number 19. It's very simple. It's that when the two are in a sphere of radii 12 cm and 1 cm are melted and fused, two new spheres are made without any loss of iron. Their possible radii would be, what will be the logic behind that is, it is that the volume will remain same. So we know that the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the first case, when you will fuse these two spheres, then the total volume will be 4 by 3, I am taking it as common, then r1 cube plus r2 cube. Now what is that? It will be 12 cube plus 1 cube. When you will add up this, you will get value equal to that of again putting here 4 by 3 pi so that you will not get confused. 4 by 3 pi, you will get the value exactly with that of the 9 cube plus 10 cube. So the answer will be 2. Now the last question, the 20th one. A man buys alcohol at rupees 75 per cl, adds water and sell it at rupees 75 cl, making a profit of 50%. What is the ratio of alcohol to water? Now, we know that profit percent is equals to SP minus CP by CP, which is the cost price selling price, is equals to into 100 is equals to 50. Here we have. What is the selling price? Selling price is 75 cl having water plus alcohol both. Suppose alcohol have X amount and water has Y amount. Then SP will be what? Selling price is 75. Yes, 75 into alcohol plus water content plus CP, what it has got on cost only for the alcohol, which is 75 x, and the total CP is 75x into 100 is equals to 50. When you will solve this, you will get 75x plus 75y minus 75x by 75 into 100 is equals to 50. What we have to calculate is here is that x by y. So let's express in the term of x by y. You have to cancel out here. It will be cancelled. Oh sorry, I have forgotten x to write here. Now 75 x y by 75x into 100 is equals to 50. So x by y, by placing here x here and y here, we will get what? 7 is equals to 75 into 100 by 75 into 50. We will have 2 by 1, and in the ratio it will be 2:1. So this was in this video about the explanation as well as solution of CSIR net question examination of part A. Very soon I am going to update you with the part B and C, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, be yourself. And the one thing is that being a human being, I can be wrong in somewhere while solving these questions. So if you feel that I am wrong anywhere during this questions, solving these questions, then feel free to comment me on my comment box in my channel. Be yourself. Goodbye and have a nice day, and all the best for your future examinations.